So, you want to be a femboy furry. Now, I don't know why. I mean, personally, I don't even know why I'm one. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, this is a little gay. I mean, I got the gay flag back there. It's gay, okay? It is gay. But you want to be a femboy furry, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it.
Bruh.
Hello, everyone. My name is Zach1. God, I love this outfit. Yeah, like I said, this is just very gay. This video is gonna be gay. I'm trying something new. And today I want to teach you how to be a femboy furry.
So basically, I can go on and just, I guess, talk about this stuff, because I'm an expert at it. I really am. But basically, yeah, God, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I had to wait for a day when nobody was home to film this, and I had no script for it prepared, but, you know, it doesn't matter. A few questions somebody might have if they want to be a femboy furry. Does it have to be in person? I mean, no. I mean, to be honest, I've done this a lot online a long time before I actually started doing this in person. And believe me, I am nowhere, and I mean nowhere, close to doing this in person. I don't know, if I go to convention, I would, but as you can tell, I'm in my room, nobody's home, and yeah, that's how we're doing this. Basically, I'm gonna close the window, that's right. Yeah, basically, you don't have to start off like just going to the internet and buying stuff, because one, that is definitely a big step. Now, if you want to go straight to that step, we'll get into that. But for now, I don't know, get a skin in Minecraft, get a texture pack, get a mod, do something. Just have a little fun. I mean, in my older videos, you've probably seen a lot of that stupid stuff. And in fact, I did a lot of that stupid stuff. But if you just want to skip all the online stuff and get right into the this is so cute part. I don't know. Basically, I don't know. Let's look into it. Basically, right now I'm pulling up a few fursuiters who are probably some of my favorites. Here's Dum. She's cute. Wait, is she a he or she? Okay, I forgot what they were, so I'm just gonna say they. They are very cute. Look. They're super cute. Here's another one. Super cute. It's a femboy. It's adorable. They are adorable. And also, yeah, maid dresses. Yeah, maid dresses tend to be a common theme with this. I mean, let's be honest, it is one of the world's best outfits, and God, I can't breathe. Now, personally, you're probably thinking, yeah, we could look at all these images right now. Just, you know, keep looking through, and then you're just probably thinking, okay, but how do I get these things? Well, there's a lot of places you can go. For one, there is Spencer's. And Spencer's Gifts, honestly, this one is more of a, I don't know if you're brave enough. Like, obviously, it is not a place you should go for a first-time thing, especially if you're new. You do not want to go, I mean, okay, basically, they do not judge. They do not judge at all. I mean, just look at the stuff they sell. We're not going to get into the stuff they sell. We're not going to get into the stuff they sell. All I know is they sell a lot of gay stuff. And, I don't know, if you're a femboy, you're usually gay. I mean, there are a few femboys who are not gay, and I respect those people. But in the stakes for this video, we're gay. But if you're not ready for that step and you have an Amazon account or money, you can go to, I literally just said it. Fuck. Can I type in this? Amazon.com. Alright, yeah, basically just type in whatever. Yeah, basically, I don't know, look up a skirt, and here's some classic options. The classic femboy skirt, only $16 or $22. Obviously, make sure you look into the reviews of this stuff. I mean, you have to look into a lot of details, because if you're a guy, well, sometimes female clothing doesn't exactly fit you. And I've run into this problem before. I bought this maid dress twice because the first one didn't fit. Oh God, I'm cute. I'm gay. Yeah, basically you need to look into this stuff because, yeah, skirts, those are different. Like, I don't know, go with pant size, something like that. But if you're gonna go for something like a, I don't know, maid dress or just a dress in general, you need to be a lot more specific because, yeah. I recently bought this maid dress. I got a second one because, I don't know, I wanted a second one. And, while I love it, I think I may have gotten a size a bit too large. And, yeah. Basically, it's still cute and I love it, but yeah, I could have gotten a size down. Let's get to something that I feel like is, an issue that many people have. Basically, you're probably gonna think, am I good looking enough to be a femboy furry? You know, it's just like, look, You don't have to be a certain body shape or a certain height or anything. There shouldn't be stuff like that that gets in your way. Basically, I get that feeling a lot. I mean, I personally am very thin. I was for most of my life. I've had a super high metabolism, and I also like to move a lot. Yeah, I sit in my chair all day, but I still, when I go out to move, I walk. Like, I don't know, I park on the far side of my school just so I can get out easily. But basically, I don't know. Yeah, you don't have to be a certain body shape. Now, obviously, I will say this, trying to hit a target weight is probably, like, you know, for healthy reasons. That's one thing. But if you don't have control over that or stuff like that, it shouldn't matter. You can be whoever you want to be. You should be happy with who you are, and you should, you know, express yourself in different outfits. I don't know. Just, you know, experiment. Be yourself. This is what it's all about. I mean, you don't have to be like the perfect image of Femboy. Like, there really is no image. Like, let's look it up. Let's look up Femboy fursuits and hope we don't get anything, Bruh. Alright, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Basically, I don't know. I don't know, I wanted to try something new, and I think I did it okay or decently. But yeah, basically, if you want to be a femboy, go for it. Be a Femboy Furry. Be cute. Be adorable. But, yeah. I don't know, this might not be the best... Excuse me. This might not be the best tutorial or tip video, because, I don't know, I'm not very good with that, but yeah. Basically, just be yourself. Express yourself. Try new things. That's what I'm saying. Also, this video was inspired by this one, although I must warn you, this guy's a little bit more adult-oriented than me, so, yeah. Good video, though. I recommend it, but I'm just warning you, because, I don't know. They're more adult than me. Well, actually, I don't know. I haven't watched the full video, so I can't really say that. But yeah, basically, thanks for watching, subscribe, and if we get 100 likes, I don't know, I'll wear a fursuit to school. Not this, just the, you know. I'm gonna regret this. Goodbye. Wait, I missed.